I'm going to go over some of the machines to help get you started when you go into the gym. First, I'm going to show you the shoulder press today. Each machine has a series of weights. Ours go from 20 all the way to 200 pounds, and you can set what weight that you'd like to lift. It's really easy. This just comes out, and you just place it right in the weight that you'd like to use. The shoulder press is going to work your shoulders and triceps area. With this machine, you can also move the seat up or down depending on where that you need it. You can do this one of two ways. You can put your hands here, or you can put your hands here, whichever is more comfortable for you. You're just gonna sit straight back, and then hands straight up, and back down again. And that's the shoulder press. Next, we have the vertical bench press. This also uses the same weight mechanism, but you can change it. You just take that pin out, place it where you want the weight to be. With this machine, you're going to also work your shoulders, chest area, and triceps. It has a little mechanism here you can put your foot on, and this just brings this up close for you to grab instead of trying to get way back here. Just brings it right forward to you. You can also do this one of two ways. You can hold it this way, you can hold it this way. You will sit straight back and just push out and back again. And that is your vertical bench press. Next, we have the tricep press. This is kind of a strange machine. You can also set the seat to go higher or lower. Same mechanism with the weights. Just take that pin out and place it where you'd like it to be. Now this one's kind of a strange machine because it has this here. What you're gonna do, bring this up by your head, lean forward, and you're gonna use those triceps and just do a nice tricep press. There we go. The last one I'm going to show you for today, a lot of you may be familiar with. It's just a bicep arm curl. The seat also moves up and down on this one to fit your height. Also, same mechanism, pull the pin out, place it where you'd like that weight to be. With this one, you lean forward, picking up this bar, and then you do a nice bicep curl. Okay, and that's all I have to show you for today. Please check in the next few weeks. Hopefully we'll have some more for you. Thank you.